Okay, students, today in this very episode, I am going to teach you how to find maximum and minimum value of a function. So, here one question I have taken, find the maximum and minimum value of function x power 4 minus 2x square plus 10. The function is given and we have to find the maximum value of given function and minimum value of given function. So in order to find the maximum and minimum, first of all we have to calculate the first derivative and second derivative. First of all we have to calculate first derivative and second derivative. After that, listen to me here. Solution. The function is given x power 4 minus 2x square plus 10. Function is given. We have to let function y equal to x power 4 minus 2x square plus 10, or let fx is equal to, we have to let either y is equal to x power 4 minus 2x square plus 10 or fx is equal to x square minus 2x square plus 10. And after that we have to find the derivative. I mean first derivative and second derivative. Here the function y is equal to x4 minus 2x square plus 10 is given. Differentiating both sides. Differentiating both sides. dy by dx is equal to dx power 4 minus 2x square plus 10 by dx. Means derivative of given function with respect to x. So derivative of x power 4. Power rule we have to use. 4 into x power 4 minus 1 minus 2, and derivative of x square means 2 x power 2 minus 1 plus 0. Derivative of 10 is 0. Derivative of constant number I have told is 10. That's why derivative of 10 is 0 equal to 4 x power cube minus 2 to the 4 x. 2 minus 1 means 1, x power 1. Here 4 minus 1 means 3, x power 3. So dy by dx is equal to 4x cube minus 4x. This is the first derivative. After that we have to calculate the second derivative too. Second derivative, d square y by dx square means d. Second derivative means derivative of first derivative. That is the second derivative. It means we have to d square y dx square is equal to derivative of first derivative. Means d first derivative is here 4x cube minus 4x by dx. Derivative of first is equal to now 4x cube derivative 4 into 3 x power 3 minus 1 minus 4 into 1 x power 1 minus 1. Power rule. That's why 4 3 are 12 x square minus 4 into 1. 1 into x power 0 means 1. That's why 12 x square minus 4. This is the second derivative. 12 x square minus 4 is the second derivative. After finding now first derivative and second derivative, in order to find maximum and minimum value of the given function, we have to compare the first derivative equal to 0 and we have to solve for x. I mean for maximum and minimum. For maximum and minimum. For maximum and minimum, first derivative dy by dx is equal to 0. I mean in order to find the maximum value and minimum value, dy by dx is equal to 0. We have to take. I mean first derivative we have to compare equal to 0. So dy by dx value is first derivative is 4x cube minus 4x is equal to 0. This is the first derivative. 4x cube minus 4x is equal to 0. And now we have to solve for x. I mean we have to find the value of x here in order to find maximum and minimum. Or 4x we can take common, then here will be x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Or 4x x square minus 1 means x square minus 1 of whole square we can write. Now a square minus b square formula I have to use. A square minus b square. That's why, or 4x x minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. I mean a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. That's why x minus 1 into x plus 1. Now either 4x is equal to 0, 4x is equal to 0, or x minus 1 equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equal to 0. Three equations there will be. 4x is equal to 0, one equation, x minus 1 is equal to 0, another equation, and x plus 1 is equal to 0 is the next, means third equation. So by solving these three equations, we conclude the value of x. So from this first, we can calculate x is equal to 4, bring that side, then 0 divide 4 means 0. X value is 0. In similar way, or x value from second equation, 1 will take that side, then minus 1 will change into plus 1. X value will be 1. Or from this equation, x is equal to plus 1 that side, then this will be minus 1. Means value of x is 1, 0, other is 1, and third one value is minus 1. So this is the value of x. These are called the clinical points too, we can say. I mean clinical points are 0, no, x is equal to 0, comma 1, comma minus 1. Yes? Means value of x is 0, 1 and minus 1. Now after calculating the value of x, in order to find maximum and minimum, I mean the function has maximum point or minimum point at x is equal to 0 or not, that we have to check. So in order to check, here we have finding second derivative. We have calculated here second derivative. And when second derivative is smaller than 0, that means function has maximum value at that very point. When the value of second derivative is greater than 0, then the function has minimum value at a given point. And when the value of second derivative is equal to 0, that means what? The function has neither maximum nor minimum value. So here, after finding the value of x, we should calculate the value of second derivative. So here to calculate the value of second derivative, here d here when x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0, then we have to calculate the value of second derivative. It means x equal to 0, we have to put in the second derivative. Second derivative is here 12x square minus 4. I mean d square y by dx square equal to, second derivative is what here? 12x square minus 4 equal to 12 into x value. X value is what? 0. That's why we have to put in place of x 0, then 12 into 0 whole square minus 4. Then 12 into 0 means 0 minus 4 is equal to minus 4. Then d square y dx square is equal to minus 4. I mean when the value of second derivative will come in negative, that means it is smaller than 0. So here you can write therefore here minus 4 is smaller than 0. So when value of second derivative is smaller than 0 means the function has maximum value. So here you can write, so function has maximum value at x is equal to 0. It means function has what? Maximum value at x is equal to 0. I mean when x value is equal to 0, then function has maximum value. Again, now when x is equal to 0, now we have to take when x is equal to 1. We have to take these three values. X value is 1, 0, 1 and minus 1. That's why we have to check by putting these three values in the second derivative. So when x is equal to now, when x is equal to now 1, when x is equal to, take 1 now in second time. When x is equal to 1, then d square y by dx square is 12x square minus 4, means 12 into 1 square minus 4. Then 12 into 1 square. 1 square means 1. 1 into 12 means 12 minus 4. That's why 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. When 4 subtract from 12, then there will be 8. So of course it is the plus 8. That means greater than 0. Since here, since 8 is greater than 0, so function has minimum value here. Minimum value at x is equal to 1. I have told you when the value of second derivative is greater than 0, that means function has minimum value. That's why here 8 is greater than 0, means value of second derivative is 8 when x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, then value of second derivative is 8 and 8 is greater than 0. That means function has minimum value at x is equal to 1. Now when x is equal to minus 1, now x value is minus 1 also. That's why we have to take these all three values. So when x is equal to minus 1, then value of second derivative d square y by dx square is equal to 12 x square minus 4. That means 12 into x value is minus 1 now. So x value minus 1 you put, minus 1 whole square minus 4. That means 12 into minus 1 square means plus 1. Minus 4 is equal to 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. 8. That means since here 8 is also greater than 0, so function. So function has minimum value. Value at x is equal to -1. I mean, when x is equal to -1, then function has minimum value, because second derivative is greater than 0. That's why it has the minimum value. So it means when x is equal to 0, then function has maximum value. So y max means maximum value of the given function. Now we have to calculate at last. So y max, this is the symbol of maximum value of function y. That means y max, maximum value of function y. So maximum value of function y, I means when x is equal to 0, then function has the maximum value. That's why, I mean, x is equal to 0, we have to put in the given function, function y. Function y is given x4 minus 2x square plus 10. In this function, we have to put the value of x 0, and we have to calculate the value of x, and that will be the maximum value. So y max is equal to x power 4 is given. Here is given what? X power 4. X power 4 minus 2x square plus 10. That's why, I mean, when x is equal to 0, the function has maximum value. That's why x value 0 we have to put. Then 0 whole square minus 2 into 0 square plus 10 is equal to 0 minus 0 plus 10 equal to 10. So maximum value of given function is 10. Now we have to find the minimum value. Here minimum value, when x is equal to 1, the function has minimum value. When x is equal to -1, has also the function minimum value. I means the function has two minimum value. Here the function can have two or more than two maximum value, or one or more than one minimum value. I mean, the function can have one or more than one maximum value, one or more than one minimum value. Here in this function, the function has only one maximum value, but here is two minimum value. I mean, when x is equal to 1, though the function has the minimum value, when x is equal to -1, though the function has the minimum value. So here y minimum value, y min means that is the symbol of minimum value. Y min is equal to x power 4. I mean, when here when x is equal to 1, then function has minimum value. That's why in place of x we have to put 1. X power 4 means 1 power 4 minus 2 into 1 square plus 10. 1 power 4 means 1 minus 2 into 1 plus 10 is equal to 1 plus 10. Add then 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. So 9 is the minimum value of the given function. In similar way again, y minimum value means when x is equal to -1 now, because I have told you this function has two minimum value. One is when x is equal to 1, other is when x is equal to -1. That's why now here for second minimum value to find, when x is equal to -1, it means x value -1 we have to put in the given function. So x power 4 is the function. So -1 power 4 minus 2 into -1 square plus 10 is equal to 1 power 4 means 1 minus 1 square means 1, 1 into 2 means 2 plus 10 is equal to 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. So this is also the minimum value of given function. So here